Hello, dear learners. My name is Professor Django. Please like, comment, and share this video, and you're welcome to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more mathematical content. The learning objectives of this session, or before we move on to learning objectives, I would like to remind you the title, the discussion, the theme of our discussion at this point is how to apply trigonometry to solve problems in two dimensions. So the learning objective is to help you recall the trigonometry rules and help you see how to apply these principles to solve problems in two dimensions. We're going to show you the systematic approach used to tackle complex geometric challenges. As I did mention, we're going to review what the area rule is, what the cosine rule is, and what the sine rule is. To achieve this goal, please consider this triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C. The first rule that we would like to mention is the area rule. In which case do we use the area rule? Take note that this rule is used when no perpendicular height is given in the statement of the problem. And what is the statement of this rule? It states that the area of the triangle ABC is equals to a half times the side B times the side C times sine of the angle A. Or alternatively, the area of the triangle ABC is given by a half times the side A times the side C times the sine of the angle B. Or alternatively, the area of triangle ABC is given by a half times the side A times the side B times sine of the angle C. What can we say regarding the sine rule? Take note that the sine rule is used in the following scenarios precisely when no right angle is given in the statement of the problem. The second scenario is when an angle, precisely not the included angle, is given and two other sides are given. Also, the other scenario in which we can use the sine rule is when a side and two angles are given. What is the statement of this sine rule? It states that the side A divided by sine of the angle A is equal to the side B divided by sine of the angle B, and that equals to the side C divided by the sine of the angle C. Or alternatively, the sine rule is stated as sine of the angle A divided by side A divided by sine of the angle B divided by side B. That equals to sine of the angle C divided by side C. What can we say about the cosine rule? Take note that the cosine rule is used in the following cases: when no right angle is given in the statement of the problem. It's also used when the included angle and two other sides are given, or when three sides are given in the statement of the problem. How do we state this cosine rule? It states that the side A squared is equals to the side B squared plus the side C squared minus 2 times the side B times the side C times cosine of the angle A. Or alternatively, B squared is equals to A squared plus C squared minus 2 times A times C times cosine of the angle B. Or alternatively, the side C squared is equals to the side A squared plus the side B squared minus 2 times the side A times the side B times cosine of the angle C. You're advised to know all these rules and know how to use them. Therefore, it's important to understand the triangle relationships when you are asked to apply these rules to solve real-world problems. You have to know when to apply the sine rule, the cosine rule, and the area rule based on the information given in the statement of the problem. You have to identify what are the measurements which are given to you and select the appropriate rule on your available information. Okay, let's look at the practical example. Consider this triangle ABC with the side A given with the length 14 centimeters and the side C has length 18 centimeters and the angle B is 28.3 degrees. The question is as follows. Determine the following: the length of side B. Number 2, determine the angle C. And number 3, determine the area of the triangle ABC. So You are given such a problem. What do you have to do? You have to check nicely what are the known values given to you in the statement of the problem. For instance, you have to determine what are the sides, what are the angles given in this problem. Precisely in this case, we have side A given, we have side C given, and we have angle B given, two sides and one included angle. So in an attempt to find B, for sure, with regards to what was stated in one of our previous slides, we have to use the cosine rule to determine angle B. So when you know now the appropriate rule to use, you have to apply the formula correctly. So we are going to go through all the steps to solve the question given to us in this example. So remember, the first question that we have to solve is to determine the side B. Remember the rule. The rule states that the we have to use the cosine rule here because two sides are given and one included angle is given. So we have to use the cosine rule to find B. We state that B squared is equals to A squared plus C squared minus 2 times the side A times the side C times cosine of the angle B. We put every value which was given to us in the statement of the problem. So this is going to be 14 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 14 times 18 times the cosine of B, angle B, which is 28.3. Okay. This gives us approximately 76.2394. And remember, this is B squared. So our B will be equal to the square root of 76.2394. And you're going to have approximately 8.73 centimeters. This is the value of the side B. So what next? We now need to determine angle C. Remember that in our attempt to get angle C, we can use the sine rule. Why do we use the sine rule here? Because we have angle B given to us. We have the side B given to us. We've gotten the side B from the previous calculation. We have the value of the side C. So we have already two given sides plus one angle. Remember, angle B is not the included angle, right? So we can use the formula sine of angle C is equals, sorry, divided by side C is equals to sine of angle B divided by the side B. This gives us, let's use this part here. This will be equals to sine of the angle C divided by 18 equals to sine of the angle B divided by 8.73. So what does this give us? This gives us sine of angle C is equals to sine of 28.3 degrees times 18 here divided by 8.73. This gives us approximately 0.978 and so on. Remember, this is trigonometric equation from one of our previous videos. We did show you how to solve a trigonometric equation. So we're going to have our reference angle in the first quadrant. We're going to have our angle C is equals to the inverse sine of 0.978. And here, this gives us approximately 78 degrees. But remember, since this value here is a positive value, sine is also positive in the second quadrant. So we need to find the other solution to this trigonometric equation in the second quadrant, which gives us 180 minus 78 degrees. And the answer is approximate, it's almost like 102 degrees. So when you compare the first and the second solutions to the trigonometric equation, we can see that we can correspond it to the, remember, to the sketch given to us in the statement of the problem. We can see that this angle C is greater than 90 degrees. So for sure, the appropriate solution to this is the second value to this trigonometric equation. So since, mention that since C is greater than 90 degrees, the correct solution is the value of the angle C equals to 102 degrees. Now, the next question that we need to answer at this point is to find the value of the area, okay? Let's obtain the area of our triangle ABC. So we can use the formula a half times the value of the side A times the value of the side C times sine of angle B. So you use whichever formula is suitable for the question, because on the statement of the question, we're given the value of A, we're given the value of C, we're given the value of B. So to be on the safe side, use the value that was given to you in the statement of the problem. So it's going to be a half times 14 times 18 times sine of 28.3 degrees. And your answer is approximately equal to 59.7 centimeters. And that is how we use these rules to solve problems in a two-dimensional space, two dimensions. So what can we recap from what we've studied so far? When you're given a question, if you're given maybe let's say if you're given already a sketch, it's good for you to visualize it nicely and be able to have the information given to you. Next, you have to find the appropriate trigonometry rule to apply to this statement based on the known information. And after that, you have to confirm your answer. If this makes a geometric sense, then you confirm what is the appropriate answer to the given question that was asked to you in the statement of the problem. So this is actually what we've studied. We've covered the area rule, we've covered the sine rule, we've covered the cosine rule, and we've shown you how to use these rules to solve problems in the two dimensions space. And you're advised to keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect, so practice. Once more, thank you for joining this session. Please like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more mathematical content. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.